Hi there guys and girls, so today's video is fitting a brand new Evans Genera drum head. Let's get into it. Okay then, so we have here brand new Evans head, still in its plastic. The great thing about the Evans range is it gives you a lot of information on the head. So it gives you type of music it's best for. So this is best for rock and gospel. It's got medium attack, low sustain, it's got quite a dry tone, and its durability is just below average. The reason why I like the Genera heads is, I don't know if you can see, it's got lots of little holes in it all the way around. And what that does is it allows the air to escape from the drum, so you get a much, it's just the attack and things is a lot quicker, so hence why it's sort of got a mid attack. It is a single ply and it is reinforced around the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this over. It's going on my Pearl Masters snare, and as you can see it is very worn, so that's why we're swapping it over. So I'll put an overhead cam on as well so you can see what I'm doing and how I go about tuning it and how I go about seating the drum. Seating the drum head on the drum. Okay, so see you in a second. Right then, so all I'm going to do is, it's best to use 2 keys for this. I'm going to loosen this top head off. I'll fast forward it so it's nice and easy for you to watch, and I'll see you again in a second. Okay guys, so that is the rim ready to come off. With this, it's easy if you put it down on the floor and give it a little twist as you drop it, and then it stops all the lug nuts from actually coming out. Okay, so pick it up. This is the old head. So this is the old head. As you see, it's got a little bit of dent in it, lots of marks on the head. So we'll get rid of that. And then we're going to open up our new head. Okay, so nice brand new head. I do generally like to keep the logos matching with where I'm going to have it on the drum. So I'm going to sit that right on there. It is a 14-inch head. I got this head from Amazon for $17.99, I believe it was. And quick next day delivery. The reason I got it straight from Amazon is Evans aren't shipping at the moment due to COVID. So Amazon was the best place to get it from. So with it just sitting on there, what I'm going to do is just seat the head a little bit. So you get both your hands together, just give it a little push, and just stretch it out a little bit. You'll hear it crackling and all sorts at this point, don't worry about that. And then we're going to grab our hoop. And I'm going to do this back up, so I'll speed through and then I'll show you the tuning. Right then guys, so everything's pretty much down touching the rim. So what I'm going to do now is finger tighten everything. And I'm going to keep to the opposites pattern. So we're going to go around, finger tighten as tight as I can, all the opposites. Okay, so they're all finger tight. Quick check round. Okay, so once it's in there, we're going to seat the head again. So it's a couple of little pushes. Right, so that's seated nicely now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, opposites again. Get them matched up, right? So I'm going to do one full turn, one, opposite, one, opposites, one, opposites, one, and opposites again, one. Okay, so just check it. So actually it's nice and easy to get to tune the head quickly, and that's giving us a decent sound ready. I like my snare drum a little bit tighter than this. So what I'm going to do is just give it another, probably, I'll start with one full turn, go with half a turn on each side. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, as I said, you will hear the snare start to crackle a little bit, that's fine. So there you go, a nice snare sound already. So I'm just going to go, if you go in half turns or quarter turns from this point, it helps a lot. So I'm just going to go a little bit tighter. So we're going to have 1 quarter turn on each. Okay, so that's what you might have seen breaking off there. This is quite an old snare drum. So what Pearl give you nylon washers with it, and the washers just decided to give in. So I do have some spares knocking around, so I'll get around to doing that later. Right, so let's see what it sounds like. Nice sound. So what we're going to do now is, with the drum key, I'm just going to tap on each of the edges and pick one that we like the tone of. So snap the snares off. So you see that's a little bit louder. That's a little bit low. Just tighten that up a little bit. A little bit low. A little bit low, so we turn it up a little bit. A little bit low. Still a bit low. one's a little bit low. So the more often you tune, you'll hear the difference between the tones. Basically what you want is about an inch in. Everything. To sound the same. So the drum is in tune with itself, which is really important. So crack the snares back on. Nice sound. So you can hear how quickly you can tune one of the tuner drum once you know what you're doing. Okay, so that's pretty much there. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Well, lesson and sort of having a look at the new Evans heads. If you could please like and subscribe, that would be great. If you'd like to help support the channel, I do have a link in the description to a website called Buy Me a Coffee. If you haven't seen it, it's basically you can just go on and help support different people, different producers, different creators, and you can just leave a small donation, 50p, £1, £2, £3, whatever you want, so that they can buy a coffee, or you know, if you want to put it a bit towards equipment, that kind of thing. Also, if you've got anybody that wants to request a cover, if you put a £3 donation on, I will do whatever cover you ask. Those don't make it too difficult. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. So thanks for watching. Bye.